أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. On 8th Shawwal, 1344, they had demolished the shrines of Ahlul Bayt alayhi salatu wasalam in Baqee. And not just Baqee, they have demolished many other secret sites in Hijaz. Around more than 95% of Islamic heritage has been demolished and eliminated. But what we see for 100 years, these graves are in this situation that we see. Really, everybody who has little relationship and connection and affection to Rasulullah, he cannot hold himself. And of course, something that makes us always cry. But crying is not enough, brothers and sisters. We have to raise our voice, and the voice should be a united voice. We should say and talk together, speak together, and especially in this year of Baqee. This year has been described and has been announced as to be the year of Baqee, Amul Baqee. So every day in this year, we have to remember Jannatul Baqee. But very quick, 2 points. Number one, we should understand that Jannatul Baqee is a test for us today, for mu'mineen especially. And we have to speak about it. We cannot take it easy. Why? Because this dhulm has happened in our time. We are responsible. Allah is going to ask whom? Allah is not going to ask us why you didn't go to help Imam Hussein alayhi salam in Karbala. Yeah, the people who were there at the time, Allah is going to ask them. He might ask us, did you really remember him? Did you remember his message? Did you continue doing the aza and ihya? Did you do all those things? We will say, yes, Ya Allah, according to our own ability, we did. But did you go there? Allah is not going to ask us. But Allah is going to ask us about this, why this is happening in our time. And about the Jannatul Baqee, Allah is not going to ask the people 200 years ago who passed, 100 years before who passed. They will say it was, it didn't happen in our time. So in our time, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tests people of every time. And this is one of the tests for the followers of Ahlul Bayt in this age. So we have to understand that this is not something that we can take it easy and we say, oh, okay, it's fine. They did it. What we can do. This is one point. The second point is nobody today in this world, no one can say that I cannot do anything about Al-Baqee. Everybody can do something, especially in the time of social media. Of course, you can do a lot. But if we unified all those efforts, then of course we can show our strength and we can make our voice reach to everyone in this world. And madlumiyat of Ahlul Bayt reach everywhere. So this is our responsibility. So these 2 points.